60 seconds with Femi Korrect Pidgin yannings. Now we do, and this now the Carabao Cup final edition. Manchester City versus Chelsea. Full time that match end 0-0. Can't enter penalty where Man City take win Chelsea. Many people don't the one that say, hey, this Chelsea where Man City win 6-0, Man United win 2-0. Watin up, how they take hold this one. But the cocoa will happen for this one now when they want end the full time of this match. When the coach be one come out, keeper Arrizabalaga, the goalkeeper for that match, he no concrete come out. He saying one day, and many people don't the one that say, hey, goalkeeper be like say don't disrespect your manager. We no understand what this Sarri been the talk, but Sarri just the para for touchline. We believe say like so they hear what this Sarri the talk. Now this thing necessary for the talk. What do you think say sub for that match yesterday? They would hear say if Sarri be no win that match, say they go sack him. If they sack Sarri, now who we go blame? Now Arrizabalaga, Abi, na Sarri, now we go blame. Abi, you feel this, you see if you say, may them give Mauricio Sarri more time, and you feel say Arrizabalaga, may they sack him. Come on.